Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing well today. Hope everybody's having a great week. Today we've got one that we're going to do. Now, I usually warn people away from beta software. That is software that's not released to the public yet. A lot of companies will put out a public beta, so you can give them feedback on things, bugs and things that are broken and whatnot. But I usually tell people, unless you have a machine that you don't care anything about, your phone, tablet, computer, whatever, if you don't care about it, if it's not in production, if it's not doing something for you, sure, play with it, fine, that'd be great. If you've got a production laptop that you make videos on or you work on or something, don't do it. Because it can break it, and then you're without a machine and you're having to redo everything. So, on that note, I have an iPad Pro 4th Gen. Right here is 12.9. Great machine, love to use it. Use it all the time for content consumption and stuff. But when Apple puts out a beta software, a public beta, well, I generally put it on it, or I put it on my other iPad, and sit and play with it and give them feedback and stuff. I loved it. I've been a Windows beta tester for a long time until they came out with Windows 11. But today we're going to put the iPadOS 16 public beta on my iPad. So let me get my screen capture going. We'll walk you through it. The directions to do this will be in the description down there. And like I said, if your machine, if you count on it day in and day out, don't do it unless you're really good at it. And another note, before you do this, back your machine up. I have iCloud backup and then I back up to my NAS. So just in case I have to roll back to 15.5, I can. So this is July 2022, by the way. This is when I'm doing this. So let me get my screen capture going, and we'll be right back. Here we are. We're going to open the web browser, and we're going to go to beta.apple.com. And this is what we're going to do, and we are going to iPadOS 16, and that's the preview. So we're going to go back, and we're going to sign in. So what you have to do, you actually have to sign in, then you have to enroll your device. So as long as you have an Apple ID, you can do this, because this is the public beta. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and we're under Get Started. It says, if you are a new member, please enroll your iPad. Once enrolled, you will get a notification when a new public beta is available, and you can install it from the software update. Well, I'm going to go ahead and do it because I have it backed up. So archive a backup, install profile. So go to beta.apple.com/profile to download. Boy, there's a button right here. I don't know why they do that, but there's a button right here. I'm going to download it. And it goes to appleseed.beta.apple.com. All right, profile downloaded. Review the profile in Settings app if you want to install it. All right, so we're going to do that now. All right, profile downloaded. iOS 16, iPadOS 16 beta software profile verified. And there's my certificates and all that stuff, so I'm going to hit install. Yeah, I'm not going to let y'all see this. All right, now it wants you to read the EULA. Okay, I read it. And I want to install the profile. And now I'm going to restart. All right, so we've got that downloaded. And we got it installed and then restart. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to go Software Update. And there it is. There's the iPadOS 16 public beta. It says update requested. Let's see if that comes up. All right, now it's back, and it tell me I got 30 minutes. So 19 minutes. must be running off a Microsoft clock. When it gets ready, I'll start the recording back again. I'll tell you exactly how long it takes. It's 5:37 p.m. All right, so we're down to 1 minute. It is 5:57, so if my math is right, that is right at 20 minutes. To download this, we got that 1 minute left. Hopefully it is a quick 1 minute. And like all the other betas I've installed, hopefully it'll say install now. So let's give it 1 minute. 53 seconds. Good grief. One of their software developers was being funny. Preparing update. We'll see how long this one takes. All right, that took exactly 40 minutes. This must be one heck of a public beta. So right now you see it says install now. I'm going to hit install now. I'm not going to let you see my passcode. And let's see what it does. Okay, it's verifying the update. So we're right at just a little bit over an hour right now, and it's not even installing yet. So okay. It took another 30 minutes to do this. So we're at the home screen until the fonts are bigger and all that stuff. Says your iPad has been updated to iPadOS 16.0. I'm not going to show you that. Looks the same. Now, something funny I saw is if you look at the top left-hand corner, my clock and date are completely wrong. It says January 9th on Tuesday, 9:41 a.m. It is not that. So there must be a bug here somewhere or another. But it looks the same. Control center is the same. Let me show you that it is updated to 16.01. There it is, 16.0, I'm sorry. Settings all look the same. So yeah, so that took about, what, an hour and a half to set this up. Seems kind of snappy. So I'm going to go through and list the changes. Now, a lot of the changes they made to 16.0 won't affect this iPad. It's only for the 5th gen, 6th gen M1, which is really bad because this is a really nice iPad. I paid a lot of money for it, and so we'll see how it works. Hopefully it'll work good. They say that this beta is not too buggy. So let's finish this video up. Okay, there you have it. Let me unhook it here. iPadOS 16.0 public beta. By looking at it here, I can't tell any difference, but we're going to push through its paces, see how stable it is, look at all the new features, the ones that I can run on this iPad. But this is a 4th gen 2020 12.9 iPad Pro. Hope y'all get something out of it. If you got any questions, leave them down there at the bottom. If you got any comments, leave them in the bottom. I try to answer everything that comes up. And next video, we will list everything. I'll tell you what I like, what I don't like. I always like the iPad. It's always a good product. But anyway, that's it. So hey, hope you like this video. Hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified. We're at 1,025 subscribers and can't thank you enough. So anyway, I hope everybody's having a great day and a great evening, and until the next video, thanks for watching.